This is the view from Antipolo. Mountains everywhere. This is my buddy Jojo. He's single again. Yep, good looking. Just way up top. Forget the below area. This is called the cottage. I think it's 100 or 600 each, right?
Yes, to that.
Yeah, and you can, I think, stay here overnight, and you can go to the pool. But the best thing is the sight, the view, the weather, away from the city, away from stress. This is where you can refresh your ideas about something in the future. Unwind. Yep. It's way down below. Ilang. Kailangan umikot ka rito. Doon tayo sa kabila, pare. Ayan, maraming kubo. Yun yung swimming. Maganda rin pala rito, pre, oh. Kahit dito ka lang, no? Yun lang, overnight kasi syempre. Mas maganda yung may
Tulog.
Oo. Iba yata, dito na natutulog, di ba?
Ay, sus, ginagawa ng halilang ano yan.
Dito? Kadyutan. Dito maganda, pre. Kasi inuman kayo dito.
Ay, nako.
Basta maganda mag-mountain biking, ganyan. May karaoke doon.
Bakal talaga, oh.
Saan pala tayo ni Naniyo pupunta? Ako, wala na akong sasakyan sa Sunday.
Ay, ibabalik mo na ba yung ano?
Friday, oh.
Dahil 1 week, eh.
Hindi ko naman nagagamit, eh. Kaliwa. Si JR yan, di ba? Yung kumanta?
Yun yung nag-hit siya.
Dito masarap din magpaspa. No, pre? Ito yung kubo. Pag nakita itong mga friends ko na nandoon, oh my God, Eddie, this is so awesome, sabi nila.
Yeah,